Hi, Alicia Mendoza here with Realty One Group. Today I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on looking up property tax information for properties in Orange County, California. The first thing you're going to do is go into your web browser and type in tax.ocgov.com. It'll take you here to the Treasurer Tax Collector's page, and you'll just go ahead and scroll down here. You'll see this form here that has a few different ways of searching for a particular property. You can do it by parcel number, you can do it by property address, you can do it by tax collector reference number, and so forth. I typically do it by property address because as a realtor, I know the property address. I'm trying to find, let's say, Mello-Roos that's attached to a given property. So I'm going to go ahead and do it for a property that I actually have listed at the moment. I can put in the city. It's optional. If I don't put it in, it'll still do a search and it'll find this particular property. It's in the city of Orange. And I can go ahead and click on the parcel number here and it'll show me all this information about what's available for viewing. I can click on this parcel number and it'll show me the secured property tax information for tax year 2015. Or I can also go down here where it says current and previous year tax bills, and it has a drop-down menu to actually view these secured bills. Let's take a look at this one first, and I'll just click on Go. It'll bring me into another window, and here you'll be able to see the property tax bill that was sent out for this particular property. Note that it does not show the name of the owner or his or her mailing address. So it protects that information at least here. But it does show, if there's a homeowner's exemption right here. It does show the calculation of how we got to this dollar amount for the annual property taxes for this particular tax year. And you'll just see all this information laid out. The CFD, Orange CFD here is the Community Facilities District. That's Mello-Roos basically. So 1985, 119, 550. There's 3 of them for this particular property. Add them all up and that's the total Mello-Roos that's paid annually for this particular property. Note that these amounts on top here are the calculated amounts based on the assessed tax value. And then, of course, these special assessment charges are added on in their entirety to the calculated amounts here. That's how we get this $8,088.22. Scroll down a little bit more and you'll see the payment coupons. This is just, again, a replica of the tax bill that was sent out. So I'll go ahead and close out of here. Going back to this screen, I can click on the parcel number for more information within the browser here. It shows the first installment, the second installment, and the status when they're due as well. And I can actually pay the property tax bill if I wanted to right here, and it shows the information for doing so. Scrolling down a little bit more, I see this yellow highlighted area where it says click here for detailed information on what makes up your taxes. Click on that. And then I'll have another window open up that shows just, again, more detail about this $8,000 amount that's paid annually or due annually. And you can see the tax types, it's laid out a little bit differently. These are the different tax type codes. R1, R2, R7, again, is the Mello-Roos amounts that I was looking for. And you can also see the calculations for these amounts up here. And I can just close out of here. But that's basically the detail of the property tax amount for this particular property. And you can also view the original bill from this screen as well, but we can also look at previous ones as well. And that's pretty much it for this particular tutorial. Thank you and have a great day.